What's up everyone, welcome to CodeWizNik, the place where coding becomes fun and easy.
Hey friends, welcome back to CodeWizNik, and today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code step by step on a Windows PC. And this video is perfect for beginners who are just starting in programming or web development. We will also look at how to install extension, how to change theme, and how to write your first simple code inside VS Code. So stay with me until the end. Let's begin. Before we install it, let me quickly tell you what VS Code is. And VS Code is a free code editor made by Microsoft. It supports many programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C++, and more. It's a simple, lightweight, and works great even on low-end PC. Now let's install it. Open any browser like Chrome or Edge. Type in the search bar download VS Code. Click the official website code.visualstudio.com. Once the page opens, you will see download buttons for Windows, Mac and Linux. I am using Windows, so I will click on the Windows download button, and this will download a file called vscodesetup.exe, and it's about 80 to 100 MB depending on the version. After download is complete, double click the setup file and the setup window will open, and accept the license and click next again. Choose the installation location. You can leave it as default, and now you will see a list of checkboxes. I suggest checking this. Add open with code to file explorer and add to path. These make it easier to use VS Code directly from folder or terminal. Step 5. Click next, then install. Installation will take 1 to 2 minutes. Finally click finish and VS Code will launch. Now let's take a look at the interface of VS Code. You will see a sidebar on the left, Explorer, Search and Extensions, a welcome screen in the center, a bottom status bar. Let me explain a few parts quickly. The Explorer helps you open and manage project folder, and extensions are tools that you can add to make coding easier, and the terminal lets you run code directly inside the editor. Now let's set up a few helpful tools. Click on the extension icon on the left. It looks like 4 boxes. Now search and install these 3 important extensions: Live Server, Prettier and OneDark Pro. Live Server runs your HTML file in the browser. Prettier formats your code neatly, and OneDark Pro gives a cool dark theme. Click install on each one. After that you can go setting, theme, and choose your favorite theme. Let's write your first code in VS Code. Go to file, new file, and save it as index.html. Type this simple code, doctype HTML. Now right click and choose open with live server. You will see the output in your browser. That's it. You have now installed Visual Studio Code, installed helpful extensions, and written your first code. In the next video, I will show you how to set up GitHub with VS Code. So make sure to like this video, comment if you had any issue, and subscribe to CodeWizNik for beginner friendly coding content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.